Lovers of freedom.
IPOB, one family. 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 Ndoze Makano. Yeah. Ndoze Makano. Yeah. Ndoze Makano. Yeah. Ndoze Biafra Makano. Yeah. Lieno. Yeah. Zono. Yeah. Mono. Yeah. Mono Zono. Ikirivyo. Africa. Nnamdi Kanu. Young Africa. Nnamdi Kanu. Africa. Young Africa. Nnamdi Kanu.
Lovers of freedom. These are traditional rulers in Biafra land. Biafra monarchs. They are here today, the 30th day of June 2020, to do the needful to ensure that Biafra is restored. We're here to discuss important things regarding Biafra restoration and how to help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to restore Biafra. Keep watching and remain blessed. This is reporting live. Biafra land.
Young Africa. Young Africa. Nnamdi Kanu. Young Africa. Nnamdi Kanu. Ibo Wakano. Yeah. Biafra Lienu. Yeah. Biafra Mono. Yeah. Biafra Kanu. Yeah. Biafra Mono Zono.
Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. The news, all we are saying is give us Biafra. Men and women storm Enugu streets with protests. Okay? Yes, the Biafran agitation continues, and as you can see, nothing in this world can ever stop the agitation of Biafra. No matter the propaganda or the propagation or the propagating of anybody, Biafra remains Biafra until the sovereign state of Biafra is achieved. In this article, we will talk about how men and women in Enugu State stormed the streets, where they take the demand from Nigerian government to give them Biafra. And only Biafra they want. Just exactly the way when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they tell everybody that the only thing when he wants that Biafra, nothing else, not even millions, not even billions of dollars, but only Biafra. Now the thing when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he tell everybody, say na him he want, not even Igbo presidency, but Biafra. Okay? And as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they chant the Biafra, now so he get millions of supporters worldwide. So, but in this agitation of Biafra, it can't be like say many groups they agitate for this Biafra, and in a very different manner. Though we already confirmed say na only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na the legitimate person when be the leader of Biafran people. Also, only him they fight for the Biafra legitimately. Others like Owazurike, Asari Dokubo, and different people, all of them, they fight for their own stomach because they are corrupt people. Last time Uwazurike don't come out, come they talk say in don't meet Ojukwu, the late former leader of Biafran people. Say Ojukwu handle the mantle of Biafra, come give him. He can claim say na only him be the person when Ojukwu obtained to carry Biafran people along, and say na only him with his muscle will take Biafra to the next level. But all those his rantings are lies. Remember, we already asked Uwazurike to provide us the clip or the video when him with Ojukwu take meets. When Ojukwu they tell us say na him be the person, or when Ojukwu they handle the mantle give am, say na him go lead Biafran people to the promised land. Up to today, we never see Uwazurike with any clip proving that he meet Ojukwu or Ojukwu obtain him. So, but we already see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu video when some elderly men, prominent men, well-known people in Biafran land, they obtain Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and even give them the mantle, the blessing, everything combined together. Presented to Nnamdi Kanu as the only true leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Remember, say, Nnamdi Kanu being alive today is for a very, very big purpose. Because if Nnamdi Kanu only fight legitimate fights, I am not sure, say today, Nnamdi Kanu will be the position when in day today. But just because, say, God they behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is why he kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alive till today, until the restoration of Biafra. So also a lot of people believe the same, because for God to keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alive today, upon all the trials of the wicked ones from the Zoo government till today, Nnamdi Kanu still dey alive. They tried in many ways, they failed. They tried to imprison him, they failed. They tried to assassinate him, they failed. Today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu keep on living. And we also pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to continue living until Biafra is restored, because not only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are the true leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Don't tell me before. See, worldwide, nobody when be freedom fighter ever born that have fought like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he continue fighting until Biafra is restored according to his promise to all of us. Again, we dey use this opportunity once again to challenge Uwazurike again, making sure us the video or the clip or anything that shows him and Ojukwu together talking about Biafra. We are not talking about handling the mantle to him or anything, just him with Ojukwu sitting down and then yarning about the Biafra matter. We need the clip from Uwazurike. We know that Uwazurike is a liar from the pit of hell. And then be the people when don't sabotage the effort of this Biafra. We don't tell them, say, anything when una they fight, or anybody when they fight for this Biafra, make una come together. Till today, we not see them coming together. We not see these people coming together. I wonder how Uwazurike sometimes he go claim, because we don't see another article when Mozop people come out, they claim say make some people come join them to fight for the actualization of Biafra. They were addressing the Ohaneze Ndigbo people regarding the 2023 presidency. Remember, so we don't talk about this presidency of a team that connects with the Ohaneze Ndigbo and the Arewa people and the Duduwa people till today. The same thing when the FG they continue doing the same thing, denying Igbo people That is why all the time we claim say unity, not in that country, and there is no time when that country go unite. And by doing all these things, when FG they do, no time when peace will be in that country, because everything about that country na fraud. The foundation of Nigeria na fraud. The foundation of Ohanes Ndigbo na fraud. The foundation of Mozob na fraud. That is why IPOB go everly win this battle. Even though say IPOB been get one gigantic Judas when they among them, when be Uche Mofo, but today Uche Mofo is nowhere to be found. That one na hide, that one they hide. So we go take a look on how the men and women of Ndi Igbo land, from Ndi Igbo land, when they take the request for this Biafra, because the news they tell us say they stormed Enugu state. They chant the only thing when we need now for honor to give us Biafra. Biafra liveth forever. Biafra lives forever. And this Biafra, when they talk about, ladies and gentlemen, now from ancient kingdom, now ancient kingdom, and it don't exist for over 5,000 years ago. They come up to today. Not be today when Biafra they into existence. Biafra is an ancient kingdom that has existed for over 5,000 years and more. It is derived from two Igbo words. Bia is come and Fra is take. It is a word commonly used by the Igbo tribe in the West Africa sub-region, which they were later identified with. After 2.5 years of war, during which almost 2 million Biafran civilians of the small children died from starvation caused by the Nigerian government, Biafra forces under Nigeria motto of no victory, no vanquish, they surrendered to Nigeria Federal Military. There are different countries that is in support of Biafra. The United Kingdom and the Soviet Union were the main supporters of the Nigerian government, while France, Israel, and some other countries supported Biafra. Mazi Okwo Kanu, born 25th September 1961, is a British Nigerian Biafra and political activist. He is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. A video was released from social media showing how women and men stormed Enugu Road with protest. The video duration was 16 minutes and 24 seconds. In the video, both men and women were shouting, all we are saying is give us Biafra. They were very desperate when saying such words. After many users saw the video, they took to the comment section to comment. Wonderful, courageous Biafra women, we have had you all. When we want, all what we want is Biafra, and Biafra we must get. All hail Biafra and ESN. Good movement, we can't slender anymore. Divide Nigeria and save life, period. All this killing and nonsense will stop. Nothing like one Nigeria. Yes, enough is enough. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, all these ones now comment when some people they comment regarding the video when all of them see online concerning men and women from Biafra land, protesting and chanting all what we are saying is give us Biafra. Okay? This is just the beginning. All hail Biafra, one love. My beautiful mothers and fathers, Biafra we shall get. It is non-negotiable. We must get Biafra in peace or in pieces. We move. All we are saying is give us Biafra. We need Biafra, and Biafra we must get in Jesus' name. So a lot of people begin to comment regarding the Biafran women and men when they chant about this Biafra. Okay? Now, I don't tell you before, say, Owazurike don't brag many times. Say, na him be the person when Ojuku handled the man to give. In with he said Asari Dokubo. And remember, see, we don't ask them many times, see, we not see on our supporters. I mean, the Mossab members. We not see anybody when they follow them along. Now only Owazurike will they see. And then on the Kano camp, we see millions of people. Millions. Everywhere, home and abroad, millions of people when they support Nnamdi Kanu, because Nnamdi Kanu, they fight the right fight. And Owazurike, Asari Dokubo, all these people. Then you talk about these people they call the Ohaneze Ndigbo. They are all failures. No, the only thing when they know not to collect money from government, like ranting for like maybe 2-3 minutes on video, and at the end of the day FG will call them, or sometimes they call the FG themselves. FG, we need money, we need money. Then we just do small threatening. They go call them, oh yeah, I'm gonna come carry Ghana must go now. So no one is believing Owazurike. No one is going to be believing Asari Dokubo as that one. Now say they don't give Asari Dokubo contracts to the guide pipeline when we say it dey your own region. Now him they tell you say me go guide for them, like a gate man, So it is not proper. We don't tell us see make all of us come together, join this leader man the Kanu to fight out this Biafra. It go benefit anybody. Somebody like Funky D, not they talk all these things to get anything from anybody. I am okay. Whether I get, whether I not get to, I am very, very okay with my life. I don't need anything from anybody. I don't need anything from any government. I don't need anything from Biafra or from anybody or from anybody. I am just doing all these things that I'm doing from my heart, because I believe say na the right thing when I do by supporting the right camp, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafran people where I come from. If, let's say for example, I not come from Biafran land, I go still talk in the favor of Biafran people, because now the right thing when then they do. So somebody like me not fit support anything that is bad, like waiting that they do to the Biafran people. I cannot do that. Now only Owazurike them type of people. You can imagine where Owazurike they call Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. The other former presidential candidate where they call Gaba from the north, constantly they support Owazurike, they call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. I wonder a place or a country where a terrorist they travel all over the world for free and nobody they harass him, nobody they arrest him. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist as what they claim, the man for don't dey jail long time. Na jail for day long time. Because in Western world, they treat terrorists like terrorists. It not be like Nigeria when they carry 800 million, they give terrorist people. So Nnamdi Kanu is a genuine freedom fighter. The only problem when them Asari Dokubo, them Owazurike, them the Ohaneze Ndigbo, them the south eastern governors, the problem when they get, you see, then they envy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because they cannot be able to do what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't do so far at his age. They cannot be able to achieve what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't already achieve. They don't see and say, yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fully ordained, not even by human being, but by the Most High God. And that is why that Biafra will come. We believe that Biafra will come through Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, he gets some people like a Gumi, they talk about referendum. Referendum where they want to do, not be referendum of a kangaroo referendum where we say they will call the whole Nigerian people. No, that one not good at all because manipulation will still be inside. You know, the referendum where they want to do now to call the Biafran people alone to choose where they want to stand. Not be then go bring out the whole Hausa people, Yoruba people, the Northern people, the others criminals, APC and PDP people to come do referendum. No. The referendum where they call for, and so it go still be when people go take believe the referendum. That is by calling only the Biafran people to choose where they want to stand. So, anytime, because Gumi, they claim, say, make them do referendum. That way, where you they go, you terrorist Gumi, that way no go ever augur well for you. And it's not going to happen like that. That is not a referendum if they call everybody in Nigeria to come see where they want to stand. No. Call the Biafran people alone. Oh yeah, make una come talk where una want stand. Because now then they agitate, say they want to leave Nigeria. So if Oduduwa want to do their own, Oduduwa too go still then go coordinate their own like that. Now so referendum they work. So the issue will make me bring the topic of this Biafra today. Now because of waiting Uwazurike the Nyan. See now him be the person when Ojukwu give the go ahead. But we never see any video when he take proof himself. Then but Nnamdi Kanu don't show, we don't see video. You know, say Nnamdi Kanu not be proud person. The man just they walk according to the direction of the Most High God, the Most High Elohim. Nnamdi Kanu don't show his own video when we don't see where they carry the offer as a leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with full-time blessing. I believe say not be everybody see that video, but we don't see that video. Funkiri don't see that video. You know, but I never see video of the Uwazurike and Ojukwu in public. So with a challenge Uwazurike once again, the leader of the Mozob people, with his Uchenna Mado. Made them come out, made them show us the video where they claim within that they claim. Because nobody will follow Ona without any evidence. That is why you see Nnamdi Kanu get a lot of evidence in everything when they talk about. Everything when Nnamdi Kanu they talk about, they talk about with proof. That is why he get a lot of followers all over the world. And now so Biafra will take come. Because we don't need a Biafra of like one Nigeria. When people inside the Biafran land go they act like people inside one Nigeria today. We need a government that can work for everybody, every individual in Biafran land. You know. So to our women, our men, I say my kudos to all of them. To the ESM people, my kudos to all of them. To the IPOB worldwide, my kudos to everybody. May God bless you all as you listen. And you know, say if you never subscribed to my channel before, make you not waste too much time. Just press that red subscription button. Only once. Alright? They're not they charge you any money put for the subscribing matter. Not free. So kudos to everybody, and I say happy weekend and bye. One love.